Ditch the boring paper menus. No more guessing what your meal actually looks like. Just scan the code, tap a dish, and watch it pop up in 3D. You can see the ingredients, calories, and reviews instantly. To make your own interactive AR menu, start by snapping a photo of your food. Use Kivicube's AI to turn that photo into a 3D model with one click. Then just add your animations and layout. It's a total game changer for social media and a great way to grab people's attention. Ready to level up your menu? Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, grab your camera and snap a clear photo of your food from the front. Make sure the lighting is good and nothing is blocking the view. Now, head over to the Kivicube website and log in. On the left side, click Kivi AI and select 3D model. I'd recommend clicking How to Use real quick, just to double check that your photo is good to go. Once you're set, click Image to 3D to start building. Upload your photo and pick your mode. If you want it to look super realistic, go with V1. I also suggest choosing Ultra for the best quality. Then, just hit Generate Now. Give it a moment, and there's your food. To make it look even better, click Rendering on the right and select V2. Then, head into the Material tab to fine-tune things. You can toggle the lighting or play around with the roughness and metalness sliders. If you're making a drink, definitely turn on Clear Coat. It adds that transparent, glossy finish that makes the model look real instantly. You can also try anisotropy if you're trying to mimic reflective surfaces like brushed metal. Just play around with these settings until you love how it looks. When you're done, click Compress, Save, and Exit in the top right corner. And that's it! You're ready to start building your AR menu. Want to save some time? Just type Menu into the search bar to find my template. Hover over it, click Duplicate, give it a name, and you're in. First, click Target on the left and upload your own menu image. Drag it into the scene, then hit Save and Share. Now, scan the QR code with your phone and point it at your menu. Boom! You've got your AR setup! Swapping in your own food is just as easy. Select this group and click the little eye icon to hide these elements for now. This keeps things clear while we work. Head to Model on the left to see the 3D items we generated earlier. Just click the model you want to change in the scene and drag your new food model right over it to swap. Use the Transform tool to nudge the size and position until it looks perfect. If you need more models, just click AI Model to keep creating. To change any pictures, click Image on the left. Upload your files and use that same drag and drop trick to replace the old ones. Just a quick heads up, make sure the file types match, like replacing an image with an image for the swap to work. Now, check out the preview. You've officially got your very own AR menu. Pretty cool, right? In the rest of this video, I'll show you how to build an AR menu from scratch, so you can take these ideas and create your own unique interactive experiences. Once you're in Kivicube, click New Scene on the right and pick Image AR. Give your project a name, upload your menu as the tracking image, and hit Create Now. You'll see your menu right there in the scene. This is where we'll build everything on top of. To add your own content, just click the asset type you need on the left and hit Upload Assets. Use Image for 2D, Model for 3D, or Video if you want to add clips. Drag your assets into the scene and use Quick Transform to get them in the right spot. Then use the Transform tool for those fine-tuned adjustments to size and rotation. Need a 3D model fast? Just select the image you want to convert in your scene. Then click AI Model on the right to start generating. Pick your mode and quality, hit Generate Now, and you're good to go. Just like before, head into Rendering, switch to V2, and tweak your material settings like lighting, roughness, and metalness to get that perfect look. When you're happy, hit Compress, Save, and Exit to bring it into your scene. To keep things organized, let's use the Group tool at the top. Select the pieces for one dish, click Composite, and give the group a name. Now you can move or scale the whole thing at once, which makes things so much faster. Go ahead and group each of the food items you want to switch between, then move each group to its spot on the menu. It'll save you a ton of time. Now that the scene is set, let's make it interactive. We want the pizza to appear when you tap pizza and the burger to appear when you tap burger. By default, everything in Kivicube is visible at once. To make sure only the POIs show up when you first scan the menu, we'll use the visibility settings. Click Visibility, select all your food groups, set them to invisible, and set the trigger to tracked. Now, the food stays hidden until you ask for it. Next, let's set up the interaction to make the food pop up when we click a POI point. We're gonna head back into visibility. Check the burger group and set it to visible. For the trigger, we'll set it to happen when the burger POI is clicked. Now, here's a super important step. Don't forget to hide the other dishes. Check all the other food items in visibility. Set them to invisible. And make sure the trigger is also set to when the burger POI is clicked. This way, when you tap that point, only the burger shows up. You can follow this same logic to set up interactions for every dish on your menu. But you might notice a little problem while testing when you try to click the brunch point. The burger actually blocks it, making it pretty tricky to tap. To fix this, go to Model and search for an empty object under the Public tab. Drag it into your scene and place it over your POI point. Since the empty object is invisible but has a larger physical area, it's perfect for creating a bigger hitbox for clicking. Now, just change the trigger for the brunch to when the brunch empty object is clicked. Give it a quick tap, and there we go! The brunch appears perfectly. You can use this same trick to make switching between all your dishes feel incredibly smooth. To make your food pop up in a more fun way, you can add some animations. You might have noticed the POI in my demo are moving. That's actually an animation I added to grab the viewer's attention. To do this, select your POI in the scene and click the plus icon next to animation. In the pop-up, choose the emphasize and pick the pulse. Make sure to set it to infinite so it keeps looping and set the trigger to tracked. You can preview it right there to see the movement. Once you're happy with it, just hit copy and apply it to all your other POI. Now, your whole menu feels alive and ready to be tapped. Now, let's make the pizza pop out and spin 360 degrees for that wow factor. Select your pizza and click the plus next to animation. Choose Enter and add a pop-up effect. For the trigger, set it to when the pizza's empty object is clicked. Just a quick tip. Make sure your animation trigger matches your visibility trigger. That way, the pizza plays the animation the exact moment it appears. To get it spinning, just add another animation. Under the emphasize, pick Rotate. You can adjust the duration to set the speed and choose Infinite to set it to loop. Again, set the trigger to the same pizza click. Now, your pizza will pop up and keep spinning smoothly. You can use this same logic to add any animations you like to the rest of your items, making the whole ordering experience way more immersive. Once you're happy with everything, hit Save and Share in the top right. Grab your phone, scan the QR code, and point it at your menu to see your hard work come to life. Enjoy your new AR menu. With AR menus, customers don't have to guess, and staff don't have to spend time explaining what every dish looks like. All it takes is snapping a photo of your food, letting the AI generate the model, and then building your scene with simple, no-code animations and interactions. In no time, you've got an interactive menu that shows off ingredients, calories, and reviews. For a restaurant, this is more than just a menu. It's a powerful way to grab attention and bring people in. I can't wait to see the AR menus you come up with. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.